I've created this video in a few minutes with ChatGPT, Pictory AI, and other tools. In this video, I'll share my complete process for video automation from start to finish. We'll do keyword research, generate the video script, prevent AI content detection, generate the video in Pictory AI with automatic voiceover, make some quick edits to the video, generate a compelling description and thumbnail, and finally upload it to YouTube. That's a lot of information, so make sure to watch this from start to finish to have a complete view of the end-to-end process. Also make sure to subscribe to the channel, as I'll be publishing other deep dive videos on some tools I use in this video. Let's start. Let's say we want to create a video about passive income, targeting specifically content creators like me. We have an idea. From this we need to perform keyword analysis. Here the best option for me is using VidIQ. Yes, it is paid, and don't worry, I'll be giving you a free alternative shortly, but it costs me just $10 per month, and the value you get is huge if you work on YouTube content creation, so I definitely recommend it. So let's log in to VidIQ, visit the Keywords tab, and search for passive income. We get a few metrics here, high search volumes, but also high competition. So what I always do is to switch to matching terms, and it will suggest plenty of longer tail keywords with a monthly search volume, competition, and an overall score that measures how much that keyword is a good opportunity. You can immediately see that autopilot passive income is a great keyword to target, for our case with a 73 score, which is really good. You can also sort by score and see other keywords we may add as secondary keywords. As you can see, with VidIQ, in 10 seconds we know what's the best keyword to target with our video, so I definitely recommend investing those $10 per month. And if you do, please consider using my affiliate link to support my work. If instead you don't want to spend any money, let me quickly show you how you may use ChatGPT to generate some keyword ideas like this. Give me some keywords I may target with a video about passive income for digital entrepreneurs and content creators. These keywords are too generic. Let's make them more long tail. These results are more interesting and are definitely a good inspiration. You can also visit YouTube, of course, and start typing passive income and check out the auto suggestions, or even do the same starting from some of the long tail keyword ideas you got from ChatGPT. Now let's work on our content, assuming we want to target the main keyword we found with VidIQ. So let's firstly ask ChatGPT for some inspiration for video titles. Write 10 possible titles for a YouTube video talking about autopilot passive income, which is mainly addressed at digital content creators and digital entrepreneurs. It's always useful to tell ChatGPT as many details as possible, for example, in this case, the target audience. I like the fourth title, and I think I'll modify it to start with the main keyword, which is always a good idea. And now I want a script for the video, but first it's better to ask for an outline. So write an outline for a YouTube video entitled Autopilot Passive Income for Content Creators. I always tend to ask for a content outline first, as it allows to see what content ChatGPT is going to generate and slightly correct it before actually having it produce the content if it's needed. For example, let's say here it's missing a topic that for me is important, so I may ask Rewrite the outline to also add a section about the new opportunities for passive income using innovative AI technologies such as ChatGPT. As you can see, it has added a new section as requested. Now write the complete video script for the outline you just provided. It should be around 1000 words long. Only include spoken words, not section titles nor any other text. And it's generating the script, and if it stops in the middle, just tell it to go on and it'll complete the script you asked for. The script is now complete, so we can move to the next step, which is ensuring our content looks human. This can be totally considered optional, but it can ensure your content can better respond to future changes to YouTube algorithms that may detect and penalize AI content. For this step, I'll be using Quillbot, which has a lot of free features to help you write better text content. First of all, we can use its co-writer tool instead of a regular word processor to automatically check our content for grammar and fluency and provide automatic corrections where needed. As you can see, I pasted my text here, and it gives you some hints on how to make your content better. Now, back to our main task, let's visit the OpenAI AI text classifier. I put the link in the description, and paste our text, and you will see that it says it's possibly written by AI. So let's solve this using Quillbot to automatically paraphrase your content. So I'll just visit the paraphraser tool, paste my text and click on paraphrase. And now we have our content completely and automatically rewritten. Just consider that if you have the free version of Quillbot, it allows to do this for up to 125 words at a time, so you'll just need to split your text and do this in multiple steps, but that's feasible. Now, if we copy this new text to the OpenAI text classifier, you see now it says it's unclear if it's AI generated, so that's definitely better. The paid version of Quillbot, which I have, removes some limits and also includes an interesting plagiarism checker. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to make a deep dive on Quillbot advanced features. And again, please check out my affiliate link in case you decided to buy its paid version, which once again, it's not needed for what we have just done. And now to the fun part, we are going to generate our video using Pictory AI. This is a very popular tool right now, and its main feature is it allows to automatically generate video from text that you either paste or provide as a link. For videos in which spoken words are the main focus, it can be a huge time saver. Of course, it's a paid tool, but it has a free version that we're going to use that allows you to export some videos with a watermark, so you can fully follow along if you want. So let's visit Pictory.ai, create an account if you haven't one, and log in. We are interested in turning a script to a video, so let's click Proceed here. Give your project a title, and paste the script. And here I'm pasting the original script we have generated in ChatGPT, but you can of course use the paraphrased version of Quillbot if you want. Pictory's timeline is structured in a sequence of scenes with automatic captions, and by default it splits your script at sentence breaks and line breaks, which is fine usually, but you can customize this behavior here under the scene settings if you want. So we need to split our text into smaller sentences so that the captions can fit well in a single slide. So I'll just add line breaks as needed. Now I'll click on Proceed. Here we can choose a template. There are a few available. I like the corporate one, so I'll click Select, choose the landscape format, and click Continue. Now it's automatically putting each sentence in a scene, generate captions, and automatically assign some stock video footage to each scene based on its text content. Pictory includes the stock footage library of Storyblocks, which is one of the leaders in the field, and which comes at no additional cost with Pictory subscriptions. And after a while it has generated our video. This is an automatic process, yet everything is customizable. This is not a video review of Pictory, but subscribe to the channel because I'm going to publish a deeper dive shortly. But I do want to give you a quick overview of the editor. For example, I see the captions of this scene are too long, so I can just click the text, position my cursor around the middle, and click on Split Scene. Then we can unlink the two scenes so that we can specify a different footage for each. If we select a scene, we can also edit it by trimming the video, recording or uploading a voiceover, and we can hide the captions or mute the background music and more. We can also preview the slide at any moment or the whole video by clicking the preview button at the top. As you can see, after a while you get a preview, and notice it also added the background music automatically. The tabs on the left allow you further customizations. Of course, we can edit the visuals by quickly searching among the Storyblocks footage or uploading your own content, and you can also add elements like stickers or emojis. Let's now switch to audio editing for a while, and specifically to automatic voiceover generation, which is another important feature that's included in Pictory. First of all, though, let me mention you have a library of audio tracks you can add as background music. You see here the one Pictory automatically picked for us, but of course you can change it if you want. Now let's switch to the voiceover tab. Here we can preview the different voices. For example, let's check Matthew.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
It sounds good, so I'll just click apply, and if you want you can add it to your favorite voices by clicking on this heart icon. Now with one click it has automatically generated the voiceover and synced with our whole video. So now if we preview this slide, for example, you see it has the voiceover as well.
Hi there, and welcome to this video on autopilot passive income for content creators.
Now we're getting closer to finishing our video. Let me just complete the overview of the left tabs real quick. You can also add text. You can customize the style for each slide and also set a custom style for an intro and outro slides. So these are kind of special slides. And finally, upload your brand assets to show across the video. And also, of course, change the format and resolution that we set at the beginning. Let's do a little more editing. For example, the footage of this scene doesn't fit so well with the content, and here it's really easy to replace it. Just click on Visuals, search for example, Digital, and select one of the videos, and it immediately updates the footage for that scene. I'll do the same with this scene about passive income, and you basically get the idea. Let's say now I changed my mind and want to join again scene 2 and 3, but make the text shorter. I can do that as well. And basically we should go on and analyze every slide and change the footage where needed. When we are done and ready to export, we can click on Generate Video, and after a while you have your video. So just click on Download, and here we have it.
Hi there, And welcome to this video on autopilot passive income for content creators.
In this case, note I have this watermark, and that's because I mostly make screencast videos, and so I have not subscribed to the premium version of Pictory because it doesn't fit my specific use case. But I'll tell you more about this in my dedicated deep dive video. So once again, make sure to subscribe and also activate notifications. And here's also the affiliate link for Pictory in case you decide to purchase it. Now that our video is ready, let's now move to the final part of this process, which is to generate the video description, tags and thumbnail. So let's switch again to ChatGPT and let's ask first for a video description. Here it is. And now for some YouTube tags ideas. And of course here you can mix the suggestions of ChatGPT with what we got in the phase of the keyword research. You remember we also got some keywords from VidIQ. And in case you have troubles accessing the free version of ChatGPT and happen to have instead a VidIQ subscription, I just want to let you know that you can now do similar stuff also inside VidIQ in the new AI Coach tab, as I'm doing here. So in this case, I'm just asking for the video description again, but in the VidIQ AI Coach tab. Now back in ChatGPT, let's even ask it for some ideas for the thumbnail. And from its suggestions, it seems that a good starting point for the thumbnail would be the picture of a happy content creator with a growing data chart. And maybe we should also add some elements related to technology or AI. So now I'll move to Midjourney, which I think most of you know. It's a tool for generating stunning images from a text prompt, and we'll try to generate this thumbnail. So here I assume you already have access to Midjourney. If not, there are plenty of resources on how to get started with the free version. You just need basically to create a Discord account to use Midjourney for free. So let's open Discord, visit the Midjourney server and one of the newbies channels to generate content for free. So I'm going to type /imagine happy content creator with growing data chart, high-tech surroundings, motivational, YouTube thumbnail, and then --AR 3x2, which is to ask a landscape image. And after a while you will get these 4 images, and I think they are a good starting point. I think I will choose the bottom left one just because it is easier to edit, because of course we need to delete in some way this kind of text that Midjourney adds. So now I'll close this image and click on U3. That means I want to upscale the bottom left image. And once again, after a while, you get the upscaled image. You can click on that, right click and say copy image. And now we can open any graphic design tool. I'm going to use Canva, and you can just use the free version, of course. You search for YouTube, and we are going to select YouTube thumbnail. We just paste the image we got from Midjourney, and now I'll quickly edit the image. I'll just add a few rectangles to cover the text, making their color match the background, of course, and I replace it with some text that is more related to our video. Now I've finished, and I can click on share, download. I'll save it to my folder, and now we can move to our YouTube channel, click on create, select the MP4 file we have downloaded from Pictory, copy the title we got from ChatGPT, and slightly edit, as I've said in the beginning. Now also paste the description we got once again from our friend ChatGPT. Upload the thumbnail that we just downloaded from Canva. No, it's not for children. And we can add the tags as well that we got from ChatGPT, but because I have the VidIQ extension installed, I also have smart suggestions. Actually, let's click refresh tags, and as you can see, I have smart suggestions of VidIQ right inside the YouTube interface, and so I can quickly add some tags that are suggested by VidIQ. Next, and now you're going to create public. In my case, I'll select private because this is just a test and I don't want to actually publish it to my channel. And we're done. So thanks for following along until now. Here are the tools that we used across this process. And once again, in case you decided to purchase any of these, please consider using my affiliate link. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you got some value, and if you have any question or suggestion, or you want to request a specific video, add that in the comments below. Thank you and see you soon.